Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY section of electronicsforyou.com.
Today we are going to make an automated irrigation system. This system can continuously monitor soil moisture and automatically irrigate the plant according to their need. It can also give you live data about soil moisture percentage on your phone. Such a device is very helpful for automated farming and for monitoring crops and plants. Now let's see what we can learn from this project. We will learn about Arduino, how we can use a soil moisture sensor with Arduino, how we can make an automated farming system, how we can create an Android app. Now let's see the main component of this project. We need an Arduino, Bluetooth SC05, solenoid valve, relay, soil sensor, water pipe, data cable, wires. So let's try it out. Hope you like the video we talked about. To make this project, please check the link in description below.
We are now producing videos of all projects we are publishing in Electronics for You magazine and on this website electronicsforyou.com, so that not only do you get to see their proof of concept, but through the video we aim to make it easier to understand the circuit. For more interesting DIY projects, keep visiting electronicsforyou.com. Thank you.